All right, so before we get ahead of ourselves, let's start with the basics. AI agents are designed to be proactive. They can handle complex tasks, make decisions, and they even learn from their experiences. They go way beyond just answering simple questions or following pre-programmed scripts. It's about problem solving and autonomy on a whole new level. One of the things that truly sets AI agents apart is their autonomy. They don't require constant human intervention. They can operate independently to achieve specific goals.
So it's not just about reacting to prompts. It's about understanding a desired outcome and figuring out the best way to get there. It's funny you should mention that I actually had a surprisingly helpful interaction with an AI assistant just the other day. I was trying to find a really obscure tech part online, and this AI assistant didn't just point me to the right category, it actually walked me through compatibility checks with my system and recommended alternative parts based on stock availability and shipping times.
See, it's happening already.
Yeah, it was actually really impressive.
That's a perfect example of AI agents in action. It highlights another key characteristic. They're goal-oriented. They break down larger goals into smaller steps and figure out the most efficient path to get there. Take Salesforce's Einstein Copilot, for example. It works within their CRM system, analyzing customer interactions and suggesting the perfect response to an email, or even generating tailored content based on past conversations. It's like having an incredibly intuitive colleague who always seems to be one step ahead.
It's that ability to not only process information, but to strategize and anticipate that seems to be a real game changer. And to your point, they're already doing it.
Exactly. Think about something like managing a complex supply chain. An AI agent can analyze sales data, inventory levels, even external factors like weather patterns to anticipate demand, optimize orders, and even reroute shipments in real time. It's about being proactive and adaptable.
And it's not just about reacting to the present. It's about learning from past experiences to make better decisions in the future. I was reading about an AI agent being used in fraud detection, and what struck me was how it learns and adapts as it encounters new data. The more it analyzes, the better it becomes at spotting those subtle patterns and anomalies that might signal fraudulent activity.
It's true, that adaptability is key. It's not just about crunching numbers faster than we ever could. It's about having a system that's constantly evolving and getting better at its task over time.
Speaking of personalized experiences, I was reading about this AI agent called Host AI that's designed specifically for managing vacation rentals.
Oh yeah, Host AI is a great example. It's essentially a virtual property manager that handles everything from guest communication and booking inquiries to coordinating cleaning services and even adjusting rental rates based on demand.
That's amazing. Okay, so
Wow.
we've got retail, we've got hospitality. What other industries are seeing this kind of impact?
Education is another big one. Duolingo, the language learning app, is using AI agents in some really innovative ways. Imagine having an AI tutor that not only corrected your pronunciation, but also explains the grammatical nuances behind your mistakes and tailors its teaching style to your individual learning pace. It's about making learning more personalized and effective.
So we're talking about personalized experiences, increase efficiency. It's fascinating how these AI agents can navigate such complex systems, constantly analyzing data and adapting to changing market conditions. But with all this talk about efficiency and automation, I'm also curious about the human side of things. How do these AI agents impact our day-to-day experiences?
Imagine healthcare professionals using AI agents to analyze patient data, predict potential health risks, and recommend personalized treatment plans, all while considering individual genetic predispositions and lifestyle factors.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
It sounds like AI agents have the potential to revolutionize so many aspects of our lives. But with any transformative technology, there are bound to be some challenges and considerations that come with all this innovation.
Absolutely. As AI agents become more sophisticated and integrated into our lives, it's crucial to address the ethical implications and ensure that these systems are developed and deployed responsibly.
It's not just about what these AI agents can do, but what we want them to do and how we can ensure that they're used for the betterment of society as a whole. It really feels like we're on the cusp of something huge here.
And as we venture further into this uncharted territory, it's crucial that we make sure these AI agents don't just become stagnant pieces of code. It's about building AI systems that aren't just trained on a fixed data set. They need to be able to continuously learn from new information, update their knowledge base, even refine their capabilities over time.
So it's almost like they need to be able to think for themselves a little bit.
In a way, imagine an AI agent that can recognize when the information it's using is outdated and then actively seeks out new data to update itself. That's the kind of adaptability we need for the future.
So we're not just talking about AI that can process information. We're talking about AI that can actually learn how to learn.
Precisely. And we're already making significant progress in that area. Techniques like reinforcement learning and transfer learning are allowing us to create AI systems that are far more adaptable and versatile than ever before.
It's incredibly to think how quickly this technology is evolving. It really seems like we're on the verge of a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology in general.
We are. It's no longer a question of if AI will become a part of our lives, but how. And as we've explored today, AI agents offer incredible potential, but they also challenge us to think critically about the future we're creating.
It's not just about what AI can do. It's about what we want it to do right.
Exactly. It's about making sure that these powerful tools are used for good, that they benefit humanity as a whole.